Yo, what's good, boys and girls and whatever you want to be today. Today's video, guys, we got something special. I'm doing like the story behind this is special. It's not so much a special like it's common in the 9th gen scene to do. So let me show you what we got. So we have the touchscreen from the 2014-2015 SIs, and honestly, yeah, it looks like it's in pretty rough shape because this actually came off a car that was in a fire. Yeah, it was pretty much the whole front was just burnt. It was a boosted car, and I guess something happened, it got on fire, so they just parted it out. And I only paid, I know a lot of people get good conditions of these for like $100 off eBay, but I have been looking and looking and looking. I couldn't find one of these for under $350. So I felt like I got a steal on this. I'm gonna swap the climate control with the one in my car because they are the same, and I might just like paint over this, or I'll figure it out. I might just scrape off all the chrome because that's what it is. It's just chrome got burnt off. I'm gonna clean up the screen. It's got a couple blemishes on it, but the only bad part really is right down here where the carbon piece actually got messed up, but overall it looks to be in good condition besides the burns. It did happen, I think this happened in shipping. This tab actually bent up and cracked right there, so. But $100, what can you do? Yeah, I'm gonna clean this up with probably Windex, maybe some like Goo Gone, just get that like fire residue off of it. The story's great though. Like I know this isn't perfect, and some people might be like, oh, I got mine for $100 or whatever. By the way, don't mind that. That's the bagging peanuts that's this came with. It's ridiculous. I didn't want to make a mess. I put them in a bag. I'll show you guys the restoration process. It is literally like 11 o'clock right now. A cowboy just walked past. He's got boots on. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking my old one out. It's pretty simple. A couple bolts. I'm like, oh, what the hell? I'm like kind of tired because I like just took like a 15-minute nap, and then I was like, I'm gonna go install this radio. I'm currently mocking this up. It is very late out, but honestly, I just want to get this done because I'm so excited for this. I've already tested it out. Everything works. So honestly, I'm super happy for the deal I got on this. So basically the radio was locked. And there's a website you can go to for people who are planning to do this or are doing this. And maybe you stumbled across this video. There's a website you go to and it has basically like, it'll unlock the locked device. You type in like the serial number of the radio and like your VIN, and you basically like, it sends you the code for the radio, which is what I did to this, and surprisingly it worked. So I will leave that in the description below for my peeps that are doing this. Before I pass out for the night, I will get back to you guys tomorrow, but this is the website. Basically you just enter like your VIN, your zip, your phone number and stuff, and then submit it, and it gives you the code literally instantly, and it worked. By the way, look at this drawing. My girlfriend drew this for me. That shit's dope. We'll get back to you guys in the morning. Sorry if this video seems like thrown around. I was just like so excited to get it done yesterday that I kind of just whipped through it. I try not to work at night so you guys can see what I'm doing. But like I said, sometimes I don't even know what I'm doing. So this is a terrible channel to follow if you like how-tos. So this is my old one. I did end up putting the old climate control on this one and an old like that chrome piece right there. Probably gonna end up painting it black and gonna probably sell this bad boy. I won't get that much out of it, but if you're interested, it's for a 2012 to 2013. If you like the stock radio system, she's in perfect shape besides that. But if you have one of these, you can swap it out pretty easy, 4 screws. Yeah, the eBay link will be in the description if you guys want that.
Damn, little mommy, what made you look this good? Oh shit, it was me. Oh, what the hell? What the? The boy just came zooming in here. A leaf. Out of here. Come on, get out of here. Let's go. Oh, I was bumping. Yeah, so here are the features on this touch. Oh, my pinky's in the way. Here are the features on this touchscreen. It's pretty sick, honestly. Like, I can set backgrounds and stuff. The only disfortunate thing is my reverse cam is still. Yo, will I get my pinky out of the way? But yeah, the reverse cam is still up here and not down here. So I'm pretty sure I was looking into it, and I think that's just how it is. Unfortunately, for swapping models, that's one thing you lose. I do still have my steering wheel controls. I'm just super stoked this worked. Literally $100. Like, that is not terrible at all. It's got a couple scratches and stuff, but honestly, dude, it's $100. Like, I'm always gonna win that. That's a dub. That's a dub in my book, boys and girls. Yeah, so hopefully you guys liked today's video. There will be more. I have a lot of parts on the way. I've spent a lot of money. Stay tuned. Like I said, if you're new, please subscribe because we're just going up from here. Got a lot of stuff to do this Civic. So yeah, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.